vehicle! Out of the vehicle!
On the ground!
What's going on?
I got you.
Dude,
Get out on the ground. What the
Hands behind your
on the
back.
ground?
Hands behind your back.
what's going on? Down the ground.
Okay, I got it.
There's nothing in the back.
Oh, C-14, successful T.
Going on? My girlfriend
All right. Pat him down.
shot at me, and I don't know what the going on.
You're under arrest.
TBI on my patrol vehicle.
You want us being TBI? Yeah. Okay. All right. Over here. Come on. Take this off of me. Pat.
And we have highway 19.
Do you have any idea on how long?
Copy 1119.
None. Stop.
What's that?
But speed in. Reality starts to kick in for Anthony in 90 seconds of being in the patrol car. He decides he's over it. Alternatively, fine. Hits the phone, sets it.
I have a question for you. If you want to make some money, and potentially a lot of money, if your answer is yes, then KVA...
Star 210-4, I copy. Serial number, returning clear boat, no record.
The whole situation turns upside down at the same time as the officer's body-worn camera.
Oh, what the